Hi everyone, welcome to Rumbo. I'm Ray and today I'm going to teach you how to pronounce the phase 2 phonics sounds. Now, when we speak about phonics and phonemes, we describe how we pronounce the pure sound. And that basically means that you are going to say the phoneme of the grapheme. So the grapheme is the letter that's written down on paper. The phoneme is what you hear when you say the sound. For example, when we're pronouncing t and p, and on paper the grapheme looks like T and P, we say the phoneme that we hear is T and P. We don't hear T and P. Okay, so that's the pure sound. I'm going to teach you the pure sounds today. So phase 2, we have S, 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 A, 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 T, 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 P, 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 I, 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 mm, 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 D, 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 G, 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 O, 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 K, 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 E, 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 A, 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 B, 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 L,